Analysis for Tuesday, May 27. I got my support level in this level 576. I'm resistant level in this level as well 584. Let's see right now what going on in the pre-market. As you can see on my screen right now, I'm recording this video Sunday 26. The price is right here. I'm gonna put a white line to recognize where is the price right now. I'm gonna come back to see my chart, and in the moment as I recorded this video Sunday May 26 in the pre-market, the price is right here. And for tomorrow, Tuesday, May 27, I got my support and my resistance level. If the price tomorrow open with a gap down, in this level, I will be very attentive to look to enter in call. On the other hand, if the price open with gap up right here, but below the resistance, I will be very focused to enter input only if I see a good enter. In this case, can be bearish engulfing, and if the price tomorrow goes up and make a breakout above the resistance is gonna become in support. And if the price open with a gap down and the price go down, the resistance, sorry, this support is gonna become in resistance. And this is my strategy for May 27. And remember, if you're going to enter, whether it's in put or in call, always put the stop loss below the candle. For example, let me give you one example really quick. For example, this is example. If you go enter in call in the candle, the best strategy to protect yourself if the price goes against you is stop loss below. Not right here, not right here, not right here. Because the best is to lose the less amount of money. This way, you're going to take care of your capital. And if you, it's the same for put. If you go enter in put or in short selling, for example, let me give you another example in put. For example, this candle right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candle. It is my average to exit in call. This candle, as you can see, it was a green candle because, as you can see, there is a weak rejection. In this case, this means the seller took the control. If you're going to enter input, start off right here, because if the price goes against you, you got to accept losses because this is the part of the game. And when you got your profit, in this case, when the price made between 4 or 6 red candle, it is exit. But when you see only one green candle, when the price going down with 4 the candle, you see one green candle, I suggest to take profit because from here anything can happen. In this case, the price went down, but it's okay. Look what happened from here. The price changed its direction and went all the way up. For that reason, when you got the profit, take it. In this way, you will not finish the day frustrated. You will finish the day in peace because you know for fact you did the thing well. Thanks for watching.